Today I want to give you my top 5 truck mods that I installed in 2025. Coming in at number 5 is a mod that has been fun to accessorize all year long, and that's the Westin Pro Series bumper. This gave the truck a much more aggressive look. Getting this installed did take some time, but I think it was worth it. I first added a super winch to the front, which has a 12,000 pound pulling capacity and some shackles. The lights I installed on the front were the Novesight Halo Pros and are some of the coolest pod lights I've ever seen. They have multiple different halo patterns and fit perfectly inside the bumper. These are also really bright at night, and with the addition of the Westin B-Force light bar hooked to my high beams, it's hard to miss any deer that may run out in front of you. Moving on to number 4 on the list are the Sanooer smoke taillights. I've had a lot of people ask about these and gotten several compliments on them. These completely changed the back of this truck and look really good. They're a very affordable option for LED smoke taillights. Since I got these installed, I've had no issues with them, and none of the LEDs have stopped working. I like that the reverse light is not blacked out because I want as much light as I can have when backing up to the boat at night. Having the red color truck I have, these just look awesome. The third mod on the list was something I was a little hesitant to install because I wasn't sure how it was going to look, and that's the Husky Liner RVL fender flares. I was very happy with the way they turned out, and I feel like it gave the truck a much more rugged look. These have a built-in blacked out running light that I wired to come on with my headlamps and tail lamps. I like that these are low profile. Some fender flares out there are just oversized and look really bulky. These have a sleek look and tie in nicely with the truck. The next mod on the list is an awesome addition for people that back up to trailers. It's a cheap mod from Boost Auto that turns on all your existing cargo lights when throwing the truck in reverse or when unlocking the doors at night. The install was super easy. You just connect 2 of the BCM cables together under the driver dash and takes less than 10 minutes. This little light on the tailgate surprisingly adds a ton of light to the hitch and makes it a lot easier to see at night. I honestly don't understand why Chevy wouldn't have had these lights come on from factory. Coming in at number 1 this year is a mod that you will use every time you drive your truck, and that's the Zinnovations carbon fiber steering wheel. This thing adds a much more premium look and feel inside the truck and completely changes the daily drive. The install was fairly easy, and all the steering wheel controls swapped over with no problems. If your truck came with a heated steering wheel, this also has the heating elements inside. It gets hot on the sides, but does not heat up where the carbon fiber is. The grip is thicker, and honestly, it just makes you feel like you're behind the wheel of a sports car. If you want to check out any of the install videos I've done on all these mods, I'll leave those links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, we'll see y'all.